Hallo agus fáilte gus in program uair in Aoigh bhar an bí me se a cluich geama in Aoigh mo charrit nó duine san bí really an computer acum. So có a chiad acum an dú mó bhráthar.
Hello.
Chan je facail san bí Gaelic ag mo bhráthar. So bí seo buc an spórsal. Cúiú, céist a thun.
I'm Terence, your brother.
Chad a gaiinnig mí an céist hast.
What was that one from? Yep. From the Isle of Lewis, same as yourself.
We're going to keep that in. I said céist a thun, which means question one.
Oh no.
Céist a thun. Jay and Tenham a horst.
Hello, I'm Terence McGee, his younger brother.
Brathar acum. Céist a gá. Cóas a how.
I am from the Isle of Lewis, same as my brother. Oddly enough.
Agus, catch a velo a furach an draste.
Is that the next question?
Yeah.
Yep. Currently, I live in Glasgow.
On a glass of
Yep. Along the Cardonald area, where I live.
Caroni.
Caroni. Caroni. Where I live in a flat.
On them flat.
Same word.
Gaelic, simply.
Yeah.
Okay, céist a cóig. Furich, Jay and geama a Charlotte agus Carson.
What's your favourite game and why? That's no point to me whispering, because I've got a microphone on. Sorry.
Ah, because you skipped a question.
Sin ceart?
He has this in order and he
Céist a
skipped one.
céha. Céist a céha. A bhéil Gaelic acad.
No. Hanya Gaelic Acum.
Och, sin scanneal, díreach scanneal. Céist a cóig, Jay and game a Charlotte.
You think on this, because there are a lot of good games. I will go with, as one of my favourite games, Shadow of the Colossus.
Shadow of the Colossus. Carson.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Had the stat and video and yellow díreach any.
Well, it's a complicated question because you really need to think about why you like a particular game, especially Shadow of the Colossus.
Well, like I'm fiction. Amazing. Come on.
Continue, okay. Reason why it's one of my favourite games is it has this incredible way of telling its story through travel and silence. Music never plays through the game except for the opening and when you do battle with the Colossi. So every time you defeat a Colossi, you have to travel to the next one, and it's just you and your horse galloping to the next area where you can explore, it's essentially it. The game is just an exploring simulator where you fight giant beasts, and the more you fight them, the more you begin to realize that your character is inherently selfish for why he's doing what he's doing, because the music begins to change the more you fight them, from this triumphant beats that are really slow and powerful and letting you know that you've climbed. You asked the wrong questions here. I have to explain.
Ceart, modern times son sin ha mi an dóchas nach el duine san bí nach nan catal. Okay, well, modern times son sin. Jay and geama a hasin a cluich in dú.
Today we're going to play Crash Bandicoot Team Racing.
Crash Team Racing. Amatan.
Oh. Even I didn't know that.
Right, ceart, local arcade. Agus cup race. Agus
Crash Cup.
Hash in a cluich. Crash Team Racing, so
2-player.
Cooper 8 Crash. Hammy a all Crash Bandicoot. Air Karts and B.
I'll go tiny.
Gaan jij roots en be tiny moeten jeen, eh? Yeah, but cool.
No idea.
No idea. J-Shell. Is the J-Shell?
Yes.
Ha.
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 Ha. Oh.
Wil je J-Shell?
Ha.
Tick, tick, tick. Cool is it.
Triangle.
I asked who you are and you said triangle. Right. Oh, Rowan.
Seals.
Wrong.
Wrong?
Wrong.
But I crashed into a seal, so.
Yeah.
Oh, a seal is wrong?
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Bingo! Oh, oh. How many flew?
Oh, no. Okay, I'm 4 if you're 8.
8!
The seals are everywhere.
There's a girl with a kiss from a rain on the seal. Ha mi aan een ochgewaadje agus huur me booster. Oh yeah, nice one. Oh, hooch me in trap.
What? What? Oh, yes. What's the Gaelic for 1?
Un.
I am in un. Every time! I've hit that seal every time!
Oh, han ik vaardig in dullig goed came forth. Oh, schakkewaadje.
Well, I got an un. Oh no.
Je mag niet meer put kwaad.
Oh no.
Oh, aan een kooikkewaadje. Ik dus ga...
Woegedeба!
Haak hem.
Oh, beans! Yes, I hit someone!
Honeren, dullig.
There we go.
Kan jij kopen?
There we go.
Oh! Oh,
Catching up.
hij helemaal goed. Oh my gosh. Oh, maar dan.
What? The... What?
Bubble Gorum. Just kan jou.
I thought you were my brother.
En jij mee in Praag raken ten draaste. Na, wakker. Oh. No! Hammy smuintje geweldig. Hoe dat jij wat show? Ja. Wat kan je nog? Oh yeah. Een map is show. Geen map is Mr. Geen map is Mr. Hacking. Yes! Kom je aan een... Ah!
Oh.
And Mark.
Okay, 7. Yes, I will take this. Ow. Something to do with us losing?
Kind
I hate you.
of. I go like
This is how much I hate you. It doesn't matter. This has just been who's going to be 7th, who's going to be 8th.
Joe adverts on a channel like him. What?
I'm assuming you're asking if we've caught up with any of the others. Oh! Oh!
What? Oh
Yes!
my gosh!
6th place! Yes!
Kjarst. Race Mierig. Come on!
Hey.
Oh.
I will take 4th or 9th. and then I will dodge missiles, and then I'll become second, and then I will rightfully take my place as Un. Well, that went nowhere.
Oh my god.
What? When?
We maken ze veel. Dat is een hier. Schevigel.
TNT.
Dynamite. TNT. And I'll win the fight.
Tiny is still big.
Right, Jane Ping are like the boosters, because and Imagine Roots and be
Well, you gotta like get the right angle, and then you gotta. I'm trying to help you. Second.
oh
Wait.
Mark.
When did you come third?
Oh my gosh.
Come on. Catch up with this one. Yes!
Oh. 3 pound gakum. 1 pound gacket.
I have 2 points.
No way.
You're 3 points.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
Watch.
So, Haro Musje, no Terence Aaron Arduler, Ach, va da fijn gacket. I guess, va 3 pound ganakum. Leishen, heb je mention. Woon ik me? Woon ik Musje? Le pound.
Wasn't on the podium.
Charom Aaron Arduler, Ach, va mine Shar, na use.
Still important to be on the podium.
En Jelsin kunt hem ook ietsjer. Zijn titel een program en hij ergens wel woon ik me en hij Morning tang sunshin gleva loser Hami en Dorcas Gunro in geama show magut Hami en Dorcas Gumbiu Rash La Ella son rematch Yanu Stalker.
Yes.
Morning tang sunshin.
One time later, yes, we'll rematch.
Gaelic Ekamara. Just do you know Scaniel?
It's like taking the little English words and going, yes, I know that one. Must be what he's talking about.
Morning tang. Woon ik misje?
Or
Gail u.
you and Nyla.
So. Toodles. Goodbye.
Bye. Thank you.